Good job. All right.
Dip, 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 dip.
Dip.
Jess.
I don't know if it.
Dip,
Oh,
dip.
yeah. Dip, dip. We'll move this one over here. How long is it supposed to be in for?
Oh, as long as you want.
Whoa,
Okay,
whoa,
that's
whoa.
good. That's good.
Oh, what else? What do we want to write on this one? But we'll put a number 1 on it.
Marsha,
Yeah,
Marsha, where's our camera?
it's in the computer room.
What color egg do you want now? Yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay, hold on.
Well, you have a camera too.
Ready?
Well, mine's on the
Ready? Gentle, gentle. Here, hold on to it with Daddy.
Here
Okay,
you go.
ready? Whoa! Good job. Dip, dip.
Is that for me? How's that looking in there? Good?
Yellow.
We have one in yellow, bud. What about blue?
This looks like it stains this table.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Hence the reason we're out here, not in the living room.
What do we want to draw on this one? Want to draw a 2? 2.
Got a nice shot of the back of Marsha's head.
Ready? Ready?
Marsha, let's
You
see
wanna
that
help?
back of your head
You wanna
smile. Oh, it didn't take.
Good job. Dip, dip.
Dip in here.